Hi there, welcome to our channel FreeDeck. In this video, we'll talk about how to withdraw XRP from Binance to Ledger Nano X. So for this, first of all, open your Binance app and now make sure that you have Binance Pro. So go back and from here you need to click on Wallet, and here we have the withdraw option and you have a set location. So click on withdraw here, and there in crypto section you need to search for XRP here and go with the first link here. Now you need to enter the address in the wallet that you want to send, and just simply paste the link here and then select a network. Click on it and here you need to select Ripple. Click on it and then click on confirm. So here I will click on confirm. Now here you need to add tags if you want to, and then you need to enter the amount of XRP that you want to send. So minimum you can send as 30. So I will select the minimum amount and then I will click on withdraw. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.